Raw data can be represented in group data and ungrouped data. Group data is grouped in interval or categorized into mutually exclusive intervals. Can be presented in frequency distribution table, histogram, polygon, and ogive. For example, ungrouped data are listed as a sequence or in the form of a frequency table, but without the use of intervals. For example, this is the formula for group and ungrouped data.
A stem and leaf diagram is used to present and display frequency of a group of data, without losing information on individual observation. Each value in a stem and leaf is divided into two portions. Example. For this question, we must rearrange the data in ascending order. For this data, the first two digits are used as the stem, and the last digits is the leaf.
Actually, I wonder how data description is used in our daily life.
Data description has a wide range of uses in the field of science, business, medication, and so on. So now, let us take a look on a question of grouped data. So, have you guys read the question?
I have. But I don't know where to start.
Okay. First thing is, you need to construct a new table for the data. And this is how you need to construct the table. You need to find the midpoint, fx, and f times x square. Let's move on to question A. We need to find the mean, median, and the standard deviation for the mass of the parcels. Anyone know what formula to use to find the mean, median, and standard deviation?
I do know. We need to use the formula, total fx over n. Am I right?
Yes. You are right. And this is how I got the answer for mean. Did you guys have the same answer as well?
I got the same as you.
Us as well got the exact answer.
For median, I got the answer is 4.925 kilograms by using these formula. Am I doing it right?
I too have the same answer.
For the standard deviation, I got the answer is 1.405 kilograms.
Huh? Why do I get the answer is 0?
I got the same answer as Sunny's. I think that you substitute the wrong value. Why don't you recheck your solution?
Oh, I think I know where I got it wrong. The value I substitute for total fx in bracket, square, is the value for total f times x square.
Now that everyone got the same answer, let us move on to question B. The Pearson's coefficient of skewness is negative 0.2669. And the distribution is negatively skewed.
Got the same answer as well.
Let us discuss on how to answer question for ungrouped data. So, the first step is to rearrange the data given from the smallest to the biggest value.
Oh, I know what comes next. We need to ensure that the rearrangement value has the same number of the given data.
That is true, ATIQAH. It is considered the most critical part when solving the question. Moving on to the next step is to use the correct formula when answering the questions.
Guys, I have a question. Are there any effects on mean, mode and median if each the data in the set of data is added or subtracted or multiplied by a constant k?
Good question, Anas. I forgot to mention that if each of the data in a set of data is added, or subtracted, or multiplied by a constant k, then there will be a new data of mean, mode and median. Check this out.
Then, what about range, interquartile, variance, and standard deviation? Were they affected too if each data in a set of data is added or subtracted or multiplied by a constant k?
To answer your question, RASYIQAH, if it is either added or subtracted, the new range, interquartile, variance and standard deviation will stay the same as the original, but if it is multiplied by a constant k, then the new range, interquartile, variance and standard deviation will have a new value. Check this for a better understanding.
That's all for our discussion on data distribution. It's been a fun discussion till the end. See ya.
Thank you for your anticipation. We'll be glad to have another discussion.
Thank you too for answering our question. See you again.
Great discussion. See you next time.